edible Minecraft trees, a sweet Roblox gingerbread man, or a cake fight just like in your favorite online games? Watch Minecraft vs. Roblox Candy Challenge in our new video. Stevie and Ben are die-hard MMO game fans. Ben lives in the Minecraft universe, and Stevie is a legend at Roblox. It's the battle of game empires. Ben makes a checkpoint and continues the game on the bookshelf area, and Stevie gets settled on the couch location. The guys compete over the best result. Which game is cooler, Roblox or Minecraft? Miss Gonzalez comes to the game club. It's time to have a snack, but it's impossible to pull the boys away from their phones. The game occupied their minds completely. Miss Gonzalez is the main creator of a game called Feed a Teenager, and she knows what to do. Regular food is not for gamers. You need to look for inspiration in what they are interested in. Video games! Miss Gonzalez Googles some ideas, then creates a perfect snack for a Roblox player. Microwave 3½ ounces of the sugar substitute Isomalt for 2 to 3 minutes. Melt it until it becomes liquid. Add green food coloring. Thoroughly mix it. Pour the emerald caramel onto wooden skewers. Shape a round green lollipop. Miss Gonzalez gives Stevie a lollipop treat. This is a tree from Roblox, but it's edible. Awesome! Stevie can't resist. Oh, so Miss Gonzalez has a favorite now? Ben also wants a lollipop, but he gets a regular Chupa Chups. No way! That won't do. Ben wants a signature Minecraft treat too. Bake 3 apples cut in half in an oven. Scoop the flesh out. Mix it in a blender to get a puree consistency. Add 2 ounces of water to 1 teaspoon of agar-agar. Thoroughly stir it. Put in 9 ounces of sugar and cook on medium heat until you get a thick syrup. Add 1 egg white to the apple mush and mix it with a blender. Pour in the sugar syrup. Mix it and add green food coloring. Put the puree into a confectionery bag and squeeze it onto the parchment paper into rectangles. Let it harden for a few hours. Join the flat sides of 2 pieces. Coat a waffle cone with melted milk chocolate. Let it harden. Attach the green crown to the wafer trunk. Miss Gonzalez brings out her masterpiece. These are Minecraft trees with square tops made from delicious apple marshmallow. Wow, it's so tasty! The marshmallow tree melts in your mouth, and the chocolate trunk hides a crunchy wafer. If the entire interface was this sweet, playing would be much more fun. Stevie is distracted by the Minecraft munching. He wants a delicious marshmallow too, but he gets a regular one. It's not as much fun. At last, Stevie wins! Yay! It's a remarkable victory! Stevie is dancing a coach jig, and Miss Gonzalez gives him a well-deserved prize. It's a Roblox gingerbread man. Cut a Roblox character head out of rolled-out gingerbread dough. Bake it for 5 to 7 minutes in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For the glaze, mix 5½ ounces of powdered sugar with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Whip an egg white with a fork and pour it into the mixture. Thoroughly stir it and beat it with a mixer. Add food coloring. Apply the glaze onto the gingerbread using a confectionery syringe. Make purple hair. Add blue eyes and eyebrows, and a smiley mouth. Make accents on the hair with a darker shade. Stevie really likes this sweet present. The gingerbread is as charming as Stevie himself. Just look at his victory smile. Ben is jealous of his rival. He shows Miss Gonzalez the Minecraft universe and asks her to make the same gingerbread for him. Sprinkle the surface with flour and roll out ready gingerbread dough. Cut out a Minecraft sword and character shapes using a template. Bake them for 5 to 7 minutes in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook colored glaze just like in the previous recipe and coat the cooled down gingerbread with it. Paint clothes, add details. Shape a square with a toothpick. Make geometrical eyes, hair, a nose, and a mouth. Make a colorful square pattern on the sword. Squeeze out a drop of glaze and stretch out the corners with a toothpick. Miss Gonzalez is a cooking winner. She turns a picture into real gingerbread right away, like she's in a video game. And it smells so nice. Miss Gonzalez lures Ben from the bookshelf, and he falls from his high arena when he smells the yummy. Time to take a break and have a snack. The guys argue over which gingerbread is better. But Ben plays with his gingerbread and doesn't want to bite it. He loves Minecraft characters too much to heartlessly eat them. He hides his gingerbread for later. Miss Gonzalez is at a huge culinary project. She's cooking an epic cake. Whip 5 egg whites into puffy foam. Keep beating and put in 1 cup of sugar. The mash should turn white but stay liquid. Beat 5 yolks in a separate bowl. Add a cup of sugar without stopping the mixer. The mash should increase in volume. Pour the yolks into the white mass. Put in 3 cups of flour. Mix the sponge batter. Carefully stir it from the bottom to the top. Add turquoise food coloring. Coat a cloud silicone cake mold with vegetable oil. Pour in the dough. Spread it out. Bake it for 45 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Put ready wafer marshmallow trees and gingerbread onto the ready sponge. Decorate it with sponge crumbs and Kinder chocolate squares. The guys are discussing their mission in the game, but all of a sudden, something magical starts happening in the room. A mystery box appears out of thin air. It must be another game task. Ben knows what to do. This casket is from his Minecraft universe. He will quickly break it with a special pickaxe. There's a treasure inside. It's a sweet Minecraft cake. Wow, it's awesome! Ben has never reached such a level in the game before. Making a real treat appear on the table, Ben tastes his Minecraft cake. But Stevie is not allowed to eat a cake from a different game. Put the Minecraft tree back. Poor Stevie! He also wants a personalized treat, Roblox cake. Roll out white fondant. Cut out letters to make the word Roblox. Coat a ready sponge cake with strawberry topping and spread 5 ounces of whipped cream over it. Apply an even layer. Pour out more topping and cover it with another sponge cake. Sprinkle a board with cornstarch and roll out red fondant into a thin layer. Wrap the cake in it. Cover the fondant with vegetable oil to remove cornstarch traces. Dampen the sides of the cake with water and attach a strip of white fondant. Add the title on top and stick in a gingerbread character head on a skewer. Decorate it with lollipop trees. Miss Gonzalez made a present for Stevie, a soft sponge Roblox cake. Now the boys don't fight, because each gamer has his own cake. Stevie and Ben eat their desserts in peace. Come on, guys, share your cakes. Okay then, Ben and Stevie taste sweets from different games. This is how they make up. And meanwhile, Miss Gonzalez takes away their gadgets. No video games at the table. Did you like our sweets from the Roblox and Minecraft universes? Then write in the comments which games you play and which desserts you would like to taste. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new recipes for gamers on Troom.